Hey everyone, welcome back to another macOS tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser on Mac, step by step. Let's get started. Before anything else, make sure Google Chrome is installed on your Mac. If you haven't installed it yet, I already have a step-by-step tutorial on how to download and install Chrome. You can check the link in the description below. Now, once Chrome is installed, here's the first method. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Select System Settings. In the sidebar, click on Desktop and Dock. Scroll down until you find the default web browser option. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Google Chrome. That's it. Chrome is now set as your default browser. Now let me show you the second method. Open the Google Chrome browser. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left side, click on Default Browser. Then click the Make Default button. You may see a confirmation prompt. Simply select Use Chrome. Once you do that, Google Chrome will become your default browser on macOS. And that's it for this video. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.